right? I know a lot of people come to me and they say, Dennis, I've sent out 100 resumes, nobody's calling me back. That means your resume sucks. Period. Your resume sucks bad. So, guys, write this down. Very important. This is the kind of stuff I give to my clients. Okay? Your resume at the very, very top. Well, give your contact information, right? One line with your contact information, right? After that, the very next section is skills. Give me a listing of your skills. Give it to me in 3 columns and give me the skill name and the number of years. And do 3 columns of that. I encourage 3 columns because I want you to include as many rows as you can without getting crazy, right? So SQL, 3 years. Python, 4 years. Front-end development, or whatever. React, 3 years. JavaScript, 1 year, right? Node.js, 5 years. Just give me the technology and the number of years. That's it. And do it in columns across so you can fit as many texts as you can, right? Next, professional experience. Where have you worked? As a hiring manager, I'm just looking to see that somebody else has trusted you and you didn't screw up over there, right? So give me like what you did, and then for each one of those experiences, give me a selected project section where you briefly tell me something about the projects you worked on, right? After that comes your education, and after that, give me your technical certifications or your certifications, right? Whatever certifications you've earned. If you're early, maybe you want to put in your Coursera courses or whatever, right? But that's it. Contact, your list of skills, professional experience, your education at the very bottom, because quite frankly, it doesn't matter. And then at the bottom, you want your skills, your certificates. And also, if you want to include, like, if you speak a foreign language or something like that, go ahead and put that at the bottom, right? But that's what I would do, Salahuddin. I guarantee you that is an improved resume format than like 95% of the resumes that you will find out there. I'm telling you that with the knowledge that I have read thousands and thousands of resumes in my career. I've probably read, I don't know, maybe at least 2,000, maybe 3,000 resumes in my career. Maybe more. I don't know. But